Wake up, people! I don't know, there's so much fake stuff going on out here, but it sure does look like these guys shot down a drone. Now look, we used to train in the military on how to shoot down aircraft that are flying over, and instead of aiming at the aircraft and trying to shoot it, you create a star pattern. I'll try to slide in a picture if I remember. And everybody shoots at one area in the sky that the plane will drive through. And then the odds of him hitting a bullet from multiple firers at one area will help. Okay, so I couldn't find a picture, so I just kind of made one here. Basically, you pick one point of the drone. This arrow is the drone path. And then everybody fires at one arrow or one point in the sky. And then the plane, aircraft, or drone will fly through this, massive rounds coming at one point. And that's one technique to shoot down an aircraft. Obviously, you can shoot individually and try to lead it and stay on it, and everybody can shoot at it. But for more odds, they say for fast-moving aircraft flying over, if you're all hidden and everything, shoot at one point right above you like so, and then the plane will fly through your bullets. So that's what I was talking about, in case I didn't explain it good. Maybe take them down. And it appears that's what these guys did. So I know everybody's yelling right now, you should never fire a gun in the air, it's not safe, and the bullet's going to come down and it could kill you and hit you in the head. Whatever, people. Freaking safety sallies. If they're all firing in the head, somehow they all live. And they get the drone. Now, I know everybody's going to be like, man, that's bullshit. We didn't see the drone. Actually, you do see the drone. Hang on. So I'm going to go frame by frame here. And you'll see this little sucker. There it is. Top left of your screen. Uh-oh. Rick, that's not a drone. It's a big mosquito. It's kind of a cool looking little drone, I got to admit. Then it hits the ground and it blows up. So let's go back. There's the little drone they were shooting at. Not a big drone. I mean, but it appears, unless it was, fake footage, it appears they got the little sucker. So, nice. I like it. If it's true, Ukraine police shot down a Russian drone. Pretty cool. We'll end that there.